Hello and welcome to iSmile Orthodontics. My name is Dr. Ron Hassanzadeh, founder of iSmile Orthodontics. I've been in dentistry for about 15 years and here with iSmile Orthodontics and opening up in 2024 in San Ramon, California, serving San Ramon, Dublin, Danville, and Pleasanton. We're going to do a brief office tour this morning to check out our lovely amenities. We have our coffee table entrance with beverage station, beautiful lobby for your comfort and your convenience, the front office check-in area, nice modern clean design. As we enter here, we will notice our consultation area where we will do our initial exam with our latest iTero Lumina scanner to take 3D scans of your teeth. No more goopy molds, no more holding your breath. We just take a video of your teeth and show you exactly what's present. And it's pretty cool. We do both braces and Invisalign here, whichever best suits your needs. And we also have one of the latest technologies when it comes to digital scanning. We take digital x-rays where the radiation is minimal to almost zero, almost as similar to taking a plane flight from San Francisco to Los Angeles. Our patient treatment area is right here, where we will be serving you and developing your beautiful smile. And of course, our back lobby and storage area, where we will be doing all our cleaning. And this is our doctor's office for me to develop those wonderful treatment plans and beautiful smiles. And here is just an inside look of iSmile Orthodontics.